Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. Today I'm going to be working on a Ford Focus 1.6 2008. We're fitting a new set of ignition leads. I'll show you why. So open the bonnet on the Focus, you've got to first open this flap, put the key, turn it left, then turn it right. Right, as you can see guys, ignition lead number 3 has been completely chewed up. Not sure what it was, possibly a rat or something, but it will need replacing because it starts sparking right in there when you start it up, so it's not safe. It's a very simple procedure. New leads. The simplest way to do this is to do it one by one so you don't get mixed up. So starting with the furthest, so lead number 1, take it out from this end and then take it out from this end. That's the first one. Looking at that, I think this one's equivalent to that. Yes it is. So what we'll do is put that in there and put the other side into here, to the coil pack, like so. Take out number 2. There. I think this one's the same size as that. Yes it is. So put this side in, put the other side into the distributor cap, coil pack, sorry, like so. Take out the one that's damaged. Lead number 3. We'll take a closer look at this now. Can you see? Don't know if the camera's picking up. It's chewed up quite badly. And I guess this one is the same size as that. Yes it is. Brilliant. And last but not least, smallest one. There it is. That's it. Just going to quickly tuck these in properly. Get them nice and neat. So, to make sure they're all pushed in. Yep. So, what I'm going to do now, I'll just move these old ones out of the way. I'm going to fire her up. Make sure she stops right. Wonderful.
Then what do you have to do?
That's how easy it is to change the ignition leads on a Ford Focus.